everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Carrie Hartley Segal. I have a PhD from UC Santa Barbara in computer engineering, and I wanted to use the results of my intensive graduate study to see how I could better contribute to the world's well-being. While designing ASIC chips is a very exciting and very interesting pastime of mine, I realize that the best way to have a direct impact on the world is to actually understand how those ASIC chips are being used. So with that in mind, I've developed this LED globe as well as a viewing portal that can be used in combination with generative AI to project images of what we'd like to see in the future of the world. Now, I realize generative AI is a controversial topic. It's only been out for about a year and a half, maybe 2 years maximum. And the ability to create videos and lifelike depictions of things that may or may not have happened is a life-changing moment for the course of humans. And I think we can use it for great good or great evil. And how do we know which way we're choosing? Well, I think the best way to do that is to watch the results and listen to what people are saying and doing. So that's why I think it's important to explore and constantly question and examine these AI models. Generative AI, particularly for video, is a highly compute-intensive process. It takes a lot of resources. We have to spend a lot of power and a lot of water, even to generate these short 8-second videos that are frequently not really human accurate. So is there a need for them? What should we do with them? Do we just want to make silly videos with them? Or can we use them to help everyone imagine what things in our local communities would look like if we were able to make significant differences? For instance, you could use generative AI to imagine what it would look like if we relaxed building codes in some areas and allowed slightly taller buildings to be built. Or what if the community was to try and get rid of the cars in it? What would the community look like without cars? How would people walk around? Anyways, I think my primary point that I'm trying to make here is that there's a lot of potential in generative AI and video generation. And it's something that we should all look into and consider how to use, but we shouldn't really use it for extremely frivolous things. Of course, learning how to use it will have mistakes and hiccups that might be funny and hilarious. You should definitely share those because they don't really have any other purpose at that point. But in the long run, we want to be responsible with our resources. And I want to develop an AI scorecard for humanity to see how these models are contributing to our 4 basic needs: water, food, shelter, and healthcare. If that's something that excites you and you're interested in it, make sure to like and subscribe as I continue to develop the LED globe and its viewing portal, where I'll explore different use cases for generative AI and how it can be used to actually change our world for the better, instead of letting the control belong to some unknown out there in the world. You and I can make a difference.